If you are a patient of high blood pressure, it is important for you to keep a track of your blood pressure. You can check your blood pressure at home with a digital blood pressure machine. What is important is to follow correct steps when measuring your blood pressure at home. Let's have a look at how you can measure it correctly. Rest for at least 5 minutes. Sit in a chair with your feet flat on the floor, palms facing upward, resting arm and back straight. Make sure your arm is supported and that the cuff around your arm is at the same level as your heart. Your arm should be relaxed, not tensed. Take 2 or 3 readings, each about 2 minutes apart, and then work out the average. Do not talk or move while taking a measurement, and avoid food, alcohol, exercise, smoking, and bathing for 30 minutes prior to taking a measurement. Always use the same arm for readings, as each arm will give you a slightly different reading. If possible, use the arm that your doctor or nurse uses when measuring your blood pressure. If you consistently see high blood pressure in your monitor for a few days, consult your physician. I wish you all a good health.